Well, it's 4 o'clock in the morning and I got the coffee going and I'm the only one up. I gotta do the cooking for everybody. So you know what? May as well cook them something they like. You know what? Let's start with some breakfast sausage. I can't wait to ring that bell and wake everybody up. But you know what? In the meantime, we're gonna get it going right here, right now. Now this has got everything you need for a good early morning breakfast. I'm gonna start with my sausage. And when that gets just nice and cooked, I'm gonna pour the grease off. I'm gonna come back with my other ingredients. So first of all, let's get the sausage going, because man, there's nothing in the morning that says it's time to get up. It's better than the smell of good old sausage. Now in our Cowboy cooking series, I want to let you know that you can cook just about anything outside, from breakfast to dessert. Anything you want to cook, you can cook outside. Now, everybody's got their own particular setup. You can do this with a bag of charcoal. Get your charcoal started, put any kind of grill on top of it. Get your fire going, cook you some soup, whatever you want to do. And it's just good common sense. Learn how to regulate your temperature the same as you would do on the stove. Things get too hot, pull it off to the side. But I got this figured out just about like I want it. Just like cooking on the stove, except I'm outside. And you can't even explain how wonderful it is to cook outside over an open flame with nature sounds all around you. All right, my sausage is now done. So I'm gonna pull that all over to the side. I'm gonna pull my whole pan over here, put this on the non-hot side, let that all stay together. I'm gonna put me some butter in here because there wasn't much grease on that sausage at all. I'm gonna melt me some butter. Now, I'm gonna put me in some onions, little peppers, little onions, a lot of color. Those all sauteed up nice in that butter. Oh, I wish you could smell this. I'm making a hearty breakfast. And the great thing about this is, you know what you like for breakfast. You can use bacon in here. You can use whatever you want. I like sausage, that's just me. Move it around where you know you need it. Of course, we're gonna need some pepper, and we're gonna need some salt. That's just the way it is. To taste, and according to doctor's orders. Now I don't want to cook these too much. I want them to still have some good taste and flavor. As you can see, I'm moving everything around. I won't get too done. Leave my sausage over here in a pile so it won't burn. That's the great thing about a great big skillet. You can move things around where you need them. You got plenty of space. All your ingredients. I don't want my vegetables to lose all their crunch and flavor. I'm gonna pull them off to the side, mix all this stuff up together and let it get all acquainted. Then I'm bringing out the last and final wonderful ingredient. And here we go with some wonderful scrambled eggs. I'm gonna pour just a little bit of heavy whipping cream in there with it. And you know how many people you got, and you know who likes to eat. So you figure out how many eggs for each person. Mince the bacon. A little pepper. And salt. And a lot of stirring. That's the great thing about a great big pan. You got plenty of space to mix and mingle and do what you want to do. So now see that getting just about to the consistency I want. You got your eggs, you got your sausage, you got your peppers and onions and mushrooms. What you've got is a full meal. Stick to your ribs type thing. And when that's all done, you can't hardly beat it. See that right there? Tell me you don't want some of that. Perfect every time. You can't mess it up. Let those eggs just get a little bit firmer. Look at that right there. That, my friends, is the best way to wake up in deer camp. Or maybe it should be this right here. Or maybe, what's the most obnoxious way to wake a bunch of guys up? Hoorah, Semper Fi.